Hi guys, I have a critical problem that I hope you can help me with in PowerApps that's delaying client delivery that was due last week. Um, it has to do with the Graph API connector that I had set up in our Blue Metal partner account. I know you don't know PowerApps, but it's really very simple. There's a data source. It's the Graph API that I made in portal.azure.com. There's one line of code in here on start, clear collect my groups from the list user groups user email.value. Okay, this is an old app that I did like 2 months ago as a proof of concept that this would work. And what happens is when I open it, it automatically goes in and displays the group. Okay, so that's the line of code. Now here's a app that I just made, and on the same screen on start, I have exactly the same line of code, copy and pasted. I have exactly the same data source, graph, graph. It's a custom connector to my, my API graph application, and it doesn't work. So the only thing I can think is that somehow my permissions to this have changed, although I am still the owner of this. Um, I have an app due like now, and I've now said Friday, that is completely dependent on this for Giant Eagle. And if I can't get this working, and I've created another app registration, and it didn't work using the same um, setup. Here it is. I am owner. Um, I can't imagine why it's not working for me now. It kind of was working on and off like over the last few days, and now it's completely broken. So I'm really kind of desperate. I really need to get this done for the client. Any help or any support anywhere in Microsoft that you can think of would be very appreciated. Thanks.